You wake up, you want waffles, you only have 2 eggs. The recipe is calling for 3 eggs. What do? You use kitchen dial. Let's pop it open. There we go. We have 2 out of 3 eggs. That's 2/3. This portion button now converts any of your normal inputs as you walk through the recipe. So we've got 2 cups of flour. Let's go to cups. 2 cups. Into cups is now 1 1/3 cups. Let's keep going. We know we only have 2 eggs. Let's do half a cup of butter. Bam, 1/3 cup of butter. We can also convert this into tablespoons if we needed to, or something smaller. Then we've got 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon, we can see we've got 0.6, or we can convert it down to 2 teaspoons. Very nice. 2 cups of buttermilk is going to be 1 1/3 again, and then we've got 1 teaspoon of salt. We can see we got the 0.6 there, or 2/3 teaspoon. But that's not good. We can also convert into grams. Let's choose our ingredient weight for salt. Choose grams. We can see we've got 4.468 grams. So there we have it. A walkthrough of an entire recipe as you cook, as you look. You don't have to think about a thing. There you go. Kitchen dial.